Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to link the HMI Schneider model GXO3502 with PLC S7-200 Smart CPU SR30. Before go to create the new program for test, I would like to explain the diagram a little bit. Okay, right now I will use software Step 7 MicroWin Smart and Vijeo Designer version 6.2 CVPH to create the new project to download to the HMI by using the USB Type B, and I will connect the connector RF485 from PLC S7-200 Smart to HMI port COM2, and the transmission is 9600 for this communication, and I will use LAN cable, create project from the Step 7 MicroWin Smart and then download to the PLC Smart by using the Profinet port. Okay, so this is the example that we can create the start and stop button and the signal of the output here, and then we can pre-start and stop from the HMI. Okay, so let's go to our software to create a new project for Step 7 MicroWin Smart and Vijeo Designer version 6.2 to download to HMI and PLC and then test together. So let's go. Okay, so first let's open the Step 7 MicroWin Smart. Right now I will use version 2.5. Yes. Basically we can create the start and stop button for start and turn on the output. Yes. So let's go. First I will create the button stop. Example M0.0. It is the button stop. Yes. We can write as stop BP. Yes, stop push button. And I will use start button M0.1, and we can define the symbol start PB. Yes, and I will turn on the output for Siemens S7-200 Smart CPU SR30. There are digital output 8 and plus 4, right? So 12 output. Yes, so I will turn on 12 output, so we can use the Q0.1, Q0.0. it is the output 0, and we can copy 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, and then we can connect the wire. Yes, and I will hold signal if I push the button start. So I will hold Q0.0 output 1. Yes, so let's change this one to 1, this one to 2, this one to 3, this one to 4, this one to 5, this one to 6, this one to 7. So 0 to 7 it is 8 bits, and then I will create one more button. Yes, we can compile. And then this network I will create one more button. Example, stop PB2. This one I will rename as stop PB. Example, this one I will create M0.2. It is stop PB. Stop PB2, and one more button M0.3. Stop PB2. Sorry, start PB2. And then I will turn on more output. Yes, here 1 2 3 4. Yes, so it will start from Q1.0. So I will use coil, and then Q1.0, Q1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. It is the last one, right? So I will change this one to 9, change this one to 10, and change this one to 11. Yes, the last one. And I will hold the signal. When I turn on output number 8, yes, and then we can compile the program. Yes, no error occur. And then we will download this program to the PLC. So first let's setting the CPU. Okay, SR30, and then for startup I will start run the CPU. Okay, and then let's check the communication between our PC and PLC. So let's go to communication and then find the CPU. Okay, 192.168.20.2. Then we can ping. So ping 192.168.20.2. Yes, that's okay. It means that we can connect and communication between our PC to the PLC. Yes, and then we can download. Stop the CPU, and then I will run the CPU back, and we can online. Yes. So if I push start, this output will on, and I push stop, this output will off. Okay. So we will go to create the project of Vijeo designer to download to the HMI Schneider. Yes. So let's open Vijeo designer, and then create the new project. Example, PLC S7-200 Smart. Yes, and then click next to continue. And for target name, I will choose S7-200 Smart. Yes, and here is the model that we already installed here. Yes, so if we install the Vijeo designer, we will got this model. So right now let's choose the model to correct with the hardware. And right now I will use HMI HGO0, and HGO0 there are 3 types that we can use. Has a HMI HGO0, HGO3501, 3502, 5502. Yes. So right now I will use 3502. It is the same as my HMI. It means that here, yes, GXO 3502. Okay. And then click next. And then click next. And here is very important that we must add the driver to the HMI, driver the PLC, yes, otherwise it not work. So let's add the driver. So there are many type of PLC model. Example ABB automation, immersion process management, generate driver, Mitsubishi, Omron Corporation, Rockwell Automation, Schneider Electric, yes, industrial, Schneider Electric USB accessory, Siemens AG, Toyota Machine Work. Okay, so right now I will use Siemens AG because I connect to the PLC S7-200 Siemens, yes. And then I will choose the Siemens S7 MPI/PPI, and then choose the S7-200 series, yes. So click OK. So it's very important, if we choose the incorrect type, it will not work perfectly, yes. So let's choose the correct type and then click finish. It will got the screen, yeah, provide the screen default, and for the screen we can change the color, example this color, or we can change another color that we want, yes. So I will choose the color, and we need to create the push button start and stop, right, for turn on the output. So example I will choose the push button here, yes. Okay, example stop PB1, yeah. And here we can choose the font size, yes. Example I choose this one, yes. It will got like this. If we choose this size, yes. Okay. And if we would like to change the color, we can go to the color and then choose here. Example I will change to red color, yes. It will go like this. If we would like to change the text color to be black, can also change like this. Okay, and then we can copy for button start PB1. And then we can rename to be start PB1. Maybe we can change the size a little bit because it's so big. So let's go to label and then choose design. Yes. This one we can also change the style. Go to label and then choose design. Yes. Okay, and then we can align because we need to put the button. Yeah, so we keep the space for another button for group 2. For start button, I will change to blue color. Okay, and we can design the style that we want. Yeah, it pre-style for designer. Okay, and then I can copy for button for group 2. So I will rename this one to be PB2 and this one also PB2. Okay, and then we need to declare the parameter of the button, right? Yes, because if we not define or declare the function, it will error. Yes, compile not successful. Yes, because the function is not defined. Yes, so we can configure. Example, stop push button 1. Let's see here, it is M0.0, right? M0.1 it is start, M0.0 it is stop. So we can go to push button, and then here we can use bit because we use bit, and here we can choose set reset toggle. Set it means that set forever, reset it means that reset the function, toggle it means that when we push 1 it will hold, we push again it will release, and for momentary on it means that when we push it will on a little bit, and then when we release it will off. And for momentary off, if we push it will release off. Okay, so right now I will use momentary on. If I push one part it will release. Yes, and then let's go to choose the tag. Yeah, I will choose new tag. Example, stuff PB1, and the data type is boolean, and then it is the scan group. It means that we connect to device of PLC S7-200 Smart. For device address we can choose here and choose %M. So for stop M0.0, right? So it correct. Okay, like this. And for start is the same function. We can go to source and then choose bit, and I will use the momentary on also because I need, if I turn on push it will turn on, if I release it will turn off. And then go to destination and create a new tag. Example, start PB1, and I will connect to the PLC S7-200 Smart. So I will choose device and then M0.1, right? M0.1, it is start, and then click OK. OK one more time, and OK one more time, and OK one more time. Okay. So we need to configure the group 2 also, right? For group 2, yeah, pull button stop group 2, M0.2, yes. So double click and then go to operation bit, momentary on, destination. I will create new text, example stuff PB2, and it will start from M0.2, right? Okay, okay, one more time. And for start, it will start from M0.3. So bit M0.3, momentary on, and then new text, example start PB2, and address is M0.3, yes. Okay one more time, and then okay one more time. Okay, and we need to show the status of the digital output also, right? Here example, we will show this status, yes. So it will start from Q0.0 until Q0.7, right? So I will choose the text. Example, connect PLC S7-200 Smart with HMI GXO 3502, right? Okay, and then font size, we can use the font size. It will come like this, or we can use another size. Example, I will choose bold. It will bigger than before. And if we choose another size like this, it will big, yes. And we can adjust. Okay, like this. And we need to show the status of the output, right? So let's check, use the lamp, yes. Example lamp 0, yes. For lamp 0, let's go to the variables here. So for general, we can use the variable here, and for the color, we can use another color that we want. Yeah. Example of color, I will use red color, and on status, I will use green color, and for the type, I will use this one, yes, 02. And for the variable, we can go to create a new example Q0, yeah, and it will start from Q0.0, yes. Okay, like this. And then we can copy for bit number 2, sorry, bit number 1, bit number 2, bit number 3, bit number 4, bit number 5, bit number 6 and bit number 7, and one more for group 2. It is 4 bits more also, so we can copy. Yes, so we can align like this. Okay, and for this one we can align also. Yes, and then we will configure for bit number 2 here. Example, I will use new and then Q2, sorry, Q1. So Q0.1, this one I will define the new Q3, sorry, Q2, Q0.2, and for the color I will choose the same, yes, the same format with the first. So this one should be Q3, so Q0.3, and this one should be Q4, so Q0.4, and this one Q5, so Q5, and then Q0.5, and this one for Q6, so new Q6, Q0.6, and the last one for group 1, it is Q7. So Q0.7. Okay, and then for group 2, I will start from Q1.0, right? So let's go to color and then choose. This one should be Q8, right? So Q8. And start from Q1.0. Yes. Q9. So it will start from Q1.1. Q10. It will start from Q1.2, right? And the last one should be Q10. So Q10. sorry, this one should be Q11, and then start from Q1.3, right? Okay, so 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. Okay, so totally 12. Yes, 12 bits. And then we can simulation before download the project to the HMI. Yes, or we can adjust the size, maybe bigger than this. Okay, like this. We can adjust the size. Okay, we can adjust one by one. Yes, so we can design the style that we want. If everyone would like to design another style, yes, we can design. So I just example, so I will use this style first, and then for this one I will adjust also. Like this. Yes, adjust like this. Okay, like this. And the last one. Okay, and then we can save and then simulation again. Okay, good. So we can download the project to the HMI. So before download, let's connect the USB type B to the HMI and PC. Yeah, let me connect. And then I will choose the VMware, yeah, because right now I use Visual Machine. Okay, and we can check the connector if we properly install. We can check here. Yes, we can take out the USB type B and then insert again. Yeah, and we can check here. Yeah, it is the driver of HMI that we can download. HBTZ935/USB-B. Okay, it means that USB type B. So we can go to download here and tick here and then click yes to confirm download. And wait a moment for downloading. Okay, right now it's downloading. Yes. Okay, it download finished, but it doesn't configure the baud rate, right? So we need to create the baud rate. Yeah, configure the baud rate for COM2. For PLC S7-200, we will use 9600, right? Yes, it's very important. If we choose another baud rate, transmission rate, we cannot communication between HMI and PLC, right? So let's click here 9600 and then download again. Okay, waiting for download again. It will reboot the HMI a little bit during downloading. So don't turn off the power of HMI during downloading, otherwise it will error the HMI. Yes, so be careful. Right now it complete downloading. Yes, and we can take out the USB Type B from computer. Yes. So right now we can test together. I will push start. Let's see. The output is turned on for 8 bits for group 1, and for group 2 we can push start. Yes, but the color is incorrect, right? For this one, maybe we can change the address. Yeah, so let me change the address. Bit number 2 of group 1 and number 3, right? So this one should be, oh, this one should be Q10, right? Should be Q10, right? Okay, so choose Q10. And this one should be Q11. This one Q0. I will revise the address again. This one Q0, this one Q1. This one should be Q2. This one should be Q3. This one should be Q4. This one should be Q5. This one should be Q6. And this one should be Q7. And for group 2, this one should be Q8. Okay, it's correct. This one should be Q9. This one should be Q10. And the last one should be Q11. Yes, correct. And then we can save the project again and then download to the HMI again. So I will connect the USB type B again. Okay, when we connect the USB type B, it will ask again. And then I will choose Visual Machine. Yes. And make sure we go to check the device manager here. Yeah, this one. It means that we already connected the USB type B cable. So we can download. Yes, download again. Okay, downloading. So wait for downloading. Don't touch anything with the HMI. It will reboot automatically by itself. Yes. So take time a little bit for downloading. Okay, so right now it finished and then we can online here. So let's see Q 0.0 until Q 0.7 is turned on, and Q 1.0 until 1.2 1.3 is turned off. So we can push the button. Yes, tap with me together. Okay, so let's test again. I will start the group 2. Yes, it turned on. Stop the group 1 again. Turn off. So the color is correct. Turn on again. Turn off this one. Turn off this one. Start group 2. Start group 1. Yes. So it worked perfectly between HMI Schneider and PLC S7-200 Smart. Yes. So this is just example about how to link the data from PLC S7-200 Smart to Schneider HMI by using the COM2, yes, and baud rate 9600. Okay. So in this point, it's very important. If we choose incorrect baud rate, it doesn't work perfectly. Yes. So we must choose the baud rate 9600. Okay. So thank you very much for watching my video. If everyone have any question, please kindly drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to say I'm sorry if I have mistake in this video. And I would like to request all of you to like, share, and subscribe my video also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. And I will drop the example project under my video so everyone can download to learn or to use. So for this time, I would like to say thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.